Dear students, very good morning to everyone, and I hope you all are fine and in sound health, and you are doing your studies very well at home. So today I am going to start a topic that is called, again I am going to solve few questions related to the topic indefinite integration in the miscellaneous exercise 7 in the textbook and CERT. This little difficult questions but important one. Okay. So I am choosing the first question of the class today. The question is integration root over x square plus 1 into log x square plus 1 minus 2 log x divided by what? X to the power 4. Before going to solve this integration, उसको करने के पहले little arrangement is required. We have to first simplify the particular that is integrand and then perform the integration. Okay. So what we will do first? So from here one term x को मैं ले गए. So you see in this expression root over x square plus 1. Here what happen if you from here in the denominator what happen root over अगर cancel किया जाए तो what will happen x आएगा. ठीक है, x आएगा. It means this figure ultimately what happen root over x square plus 1 क्या होगा? Root over x square plus 1 by x, and which can be written as what? Root over x square plus 1 divided by x square. Okay. And this one can be written as what? Log a minus log b, and 2 log x can be written as what? 2 log x is equal to what? Log of what? X square. And finally what happen? You will get log x square plus 1 minus log x square, and then use the formula log a minus b. Log a minus log b equal to what? Log a by b. That particular formula you can apply. Okay, you can apply this particular formula. Log a minus log b is equal to what? Log a by b. And finally you get log of x square plus 1 minus log x square is equal to what? Log x square plus 1 divided by x square. वो जो टर्म आ रहा है उसके साथ अरेंज करके सिमिलर टर्म मैंने इधर लिखा है. हाउ आई कैन राइट इट 1x उधर से ले गए रूट ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 डिवाइड बाई एक्स, एंड व्हिच कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट? रूट ओवर एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 डिवाइड बाई एक्स स्क्वायर. ओके, वी कैन राइट इट. नाउ इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एक्सप्रेशन व्हाट विल रिमेन? x तो इधर ले गया हमने, तो what is the remaining expression? Remaining expression becomes what? X cube. So it can be written x into x cube, and root over x square plus 1 divided by x can be written as this. So 1 by x cube I have written here also. Okay. And then what happen? I separate this x square by x square is equal to 1 and plus 1 by x square. Another arrangement, and similarly this one is also done. Okay. Now this expression and that expression are what? Same. But this expression is under square root. And we know that derivative of 1 by x square क्या होगा? What is the derivative of 1 by x square? ddx of 1 plus 1 by x square. Okay, I am adding 1 also. What will happen? ddx of 1 is equal to what? 0, and ddx of 1 by x square मैंने आप लोगों को 0, derivative of 1 0, and ddx of 1 by x square क्या था? पावर बढ़ता है. इंटीग्रेशन में पावर क्या होता है? रिड्यूस होती है, एंड डिफरेंशियल में पावर क्या होती है? इंक्रीज होती है. ठीक है, डिवाइडेड बाय व्हाट? ये एक्चुअली ddx of what? x to the power minus 2. ddx of x to the power minus 2 is equal to what? Minus 2 into x to the power minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 minus 2 by x cube. Minus 2 by x cube. ये माइनस आ गया. फाइनली व्हाट हैपन? ddx of 1 by x square is equal to what? Minus 2 by x cube हो गया. ठीक है. तो since ddx of 1 plus 1 by x square is equal to what? Minus 2 by x cube. That means we are getting 1 by x cube a term. After getting the differentiation of this, तो हमारे पास 1 by x cube भी है. So we can substitute 1 plus 1 by x square as what? Z or some z square. Since this particular expression, don't bother about this. Whatever it is z or z square, you have no problem. But 1 plus 1 by x square, when you substitute the whole term under the square root, what is the rule? We already know that our rule is that particular expression can be substituted by what? T square or z square, whatever be. Okay, t square or z square or u square in in another variable, like by squaring of this 1 plus 1 by x square is equal to what? You take as what? T square or z square. Okay. You can take also what other you can take what it is as a z, then it will be remain as root z, and which will be more complicated for you. So to reduce the complications, what we will do? 1 plus 1 by x square को क्या लेंगे? t square ले लेंगे या z square ले लेंगे, whatever भी. Okay. Now let us start to use the substitution method. So in the right of the problem, what we will do? We will do what? That 1 plus 1 by x square equal to what? Suppose t. So if you derive it, it is minus 2 by x cube dx equal to what? Dt, and from here you can write 1 by x cube dx equal to what? Minus dt by 2, minus dt by 2. So use the substitution here. It is what? Root over t square means what? T, and it is what? Log t square, because it is 1 plus 1 by, I'm sorry, here you can take, this is what? T square, that will be, I'm sorry, here 2t dt, okay, and it will be ultimately 2 to cancel, it will remain minus t dt, minus t dt, okay. So t log t square, 1 by x cube 1 by x cube dx is equal to minus t dt, okay. So this log t square can be written as what? 2 log t. It can be written as what? 2 log t. So which equal to 2 bar आएगी 2 into t into t is what? T square, and into what? Log t into what? dt. Now this is an integral of, can be solved or can be evaluated by the method of what? Parts. Method of what? Parts. This is algebraic, this is logarithmic. According to Euler rule, L will be the first function, okay. So here you can take what? L as a first function, okay. Logarithm as a first function and algebraic as a second function. So start, and also minus is there is a minus also, to minus 2 into bracket lagao t square in, I'm sorry, log t into integration t square dt minus ddt of first function log t integration of second function क्या है? T square dt as a whole integration, and this minus 2 is multiplied, so give a third bracket here, okay. Now we just perform this integral first and also this integral. So ultimately your result is what? Minus 2 into log t into t square का डेरिवेटिव इंटीग्रल क्या है? t क्यूब बाई 3 minus ddt of log t is what? 1 by t, and this is t cube by 3 into dt, and give a bracket, okay. Then this minus 2 into t cube by 3 into log t, and this t and that t cancel, 1 by 3 is out. What will remain? It here remain was t square. क्या रहेगा? t square dt होगा. t square dt का इंटीग्रल क्या है? t cube by 3 again. So t and t cube cancel, है t square है, t square 1 by 3 तो out, t square dt is what? t cube by 3, okay, into what? Plus constant c, okay, plus constant c. Now you have to substitute t. What is t? You have to find out t first, and putting the value of t in this result, you will get the final expression, okay. Now go to this expression, t equal to what? Root over 1 plus, or you can write 1 plus 1 by x square whole to the power half. ठीक है, t equal to what? 1 plus 1 by x square whole to the power half. Then what will be t cube? इधर t cube होगा तो it will be 3 by 2. So in the first expression it will be 1 plus 1 by x square whole to the power 3 by 2 divided by what? 3. And this is into log t. T means what? 1 plus 1 by x square whole to the power half. This is your t. T क्या था? T equal to what? 1 plus 1 by x square whole to the power half. ठीक है? And then minus 1 by 9. Again t cube is written as what? 1 plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. Okay, plus c. तो दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. वहाँ में लॉग के ऊपर वो पावर है, ये हाफ इधर आ सकता है, तो ये आ गया तो इधर क्या हो जाएगी? 6 हो जाएगी. ठीक है, 1 प्लस 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर होल टू द पावर 3 बाई 2 डिवाइड बाई व्हाट? हाफ तो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा इधर, तो 6 हो जाएगा. और एक्स्ट्रा एक लाइन आप कर सकते हो. फाइनली आपका आंसर होगा. और आप अगर चाहते हैं 1 प्लस 1 बाई एक्स स्क्वायर होल टू द पावर 3 बाई 2 डिवाइड बाई 3 कॉमन भी ले सकते हो, तो और थोड़ा रिड्यूस होगा. ठीक है. सो दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन. So this is not a very difficult question, but first you have to arrange the question properly. If you arrange it, then there will be no problem to solve this particular question. Okay. So next question of today's class is, it is also important. Root over 1 minus root x by 1 plus root x dx. This is very, very interesting for you. Now you know an expression already. This type of question I have solved. A by a minus x by a plus x. What is the substitution? X equal to a cos 2 theta. Okay. Here you see a means what? 1. A means what? 1, and x means what? Root x. So here you will be substitute. In this case, what is your substitution? Your substitution will be what? Let x equal to what? Root x. Root x is equal to what? You have to take in root x equal to what? Cos 2 theta. Root x is equal to what? Cos 2 theta, because a equal to what? 1, and x is replaced by what? Root x. From here what will be x? Your x will be squaring both sides, it will be cos square 2 theta. This is the final substitution. And from here you can write tx equal to derivative of cos square theta. क्या था? पहले पावर का डेरिवेटिव होगा, पावर चेन रूल यूज होगा, 2 cos 2 theta होगा. Again derivative of what? Cos 2 theta. Again derivative of cos 2 theta with respect to theta. What is the derivative of cos 2 theta with respect to theta? It is minus sin 2 theta. Okay. And since the coefficient of theta is 2, so minus 2 multiplied होगा. Okay. Because d dx of cos mx is equal to what? Minus m into sin mx. ठीक है, into d theta. Okay, so it can be written as what? Minus 4 cos 2 theta, and sin 2 theta can be written as what? 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. And another more arrangement, it will be what? Minus 8 cos 2 theta sin theta into cos theta into d theta. This is the ultimate dx. This is what your dx. Now comes to the integral. So your integral becomes what? Your integral becomes what? 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta. I am replacing what? Root x equal to what? Cos 2 theta. Okay. Now what is your d theta? D theta is, you write this dx. Dx is equal to what? This one. Dx is equal to, you write minus 8 cos 2 theta into sin theta into cos theta d theta. This is ultimately your integral. Okay. Now if you reduce this integral, आप लोगों को ये सर इस टाइप का इंटीग्रल मैंने कराया था, it becomes what 2 sin square theta, it is becomes what 2 cos square theta, 2 cancel, ultimately root sin square theta by cos square theta equal to what, root sin theta by root over cancel हो क्या होगा sin theta divided by cos theta to minus 8 cos 2 theta sin theta into cos theta d theta. Okay, so I hope you are understanding and आपको समझ में आ रहा है. cos theta and cos theta will be what, cancel. Okay, so your integral becomes which equal to integral is equal to what, finally multiply करो sin theta into sin theta, क्या होगा sin square theta minus 8 cos 2 theta into sin square theta d theta. हमें क्या करना है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शन में क्या है, इफ स्क्वायर टर्म क्यूब टर्म्स आर देयर, दैट शुड बी कन्वर्ट इनटू लिनियर, otherwise you will get difficulties to perform the integral. Okay, so what we will do, from minus 8 1 2 transferred here, so what will be remaining here, it will remain what, माइनस बार ले आओ 4. ठीक है, नाउ 2 sin square theta equal to what, 2 sin square theta equal to what, 1 minus cos 2 theta. You can apply it, you can apply, it will be minus integration 4 cos 2 theta into 1 minus cos 2 theta d theta. Okay, then you expand it, you see 4 बाहर आएगी, it will be what, cos theta cos 2 theta minus cos square 2 theta into what, d theta. Which equal to what, integral minus 4 cos 2 theta d theta minus a plus, it becomes what, 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta d theta. Can I write this? You see minus 4 cos 2 theta हो गया, minus a plus, and then what happened, I am writing what, again this is a square term, so it should be converted into linear, so I am multiplying 2 with this and बाहर में 2 रख दिया. ठीक है, 2 into 2 equal to what, 4, and 2 cos square, in order 2 cos square theta equal to what, 1 plus cos 2 theta, and 2 cos square 2 theta equal to what, 1 plus cos, उसका डबल होगा 4 theta. ठीक है, so this can be written as what, minus 4 into integration, इसका इंटीग्रल क्या है, इंटीग्रेशन cos 2 theta equal to what, sin 2 theta divided by 2, इस बार प्लस होगा, प्लस 2 into integration 1 plus cos 4 theta d theta. Hope you understand. Okay, now perform this integral again. So which this integral becomes 2 cancel, it is equal to what, minus 2 sin 2 theta plus this integral को परफॉर्म करो, क्या होगा, 2 into इंटीग्रेशन d theta is what, theta, इंटीग्रेशन cos 4 theta equal to what, sin 4 theta by 4 plus c, finally you add the constant. Okay, so which थोड़ा सा अरेंजमेंट करें, minus 2 sin 2 theta plus 2 theta plus 2 कैंसिल हो गया, नीचे क्या होगा, 2 होगा, and if you expand it, it becomes what, 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. I hope you understand. Sin twice a equal to what, 2 sin a cos a. This formula I have applied here. So lots many trigonometric formula are applied here. You see, whether integration से ज़्यादा हम trigonometry कर रहे हैं, तो trigonometry में आप expert होना चाहिए. Whatever with the formula you have, you revise it and remember it. Okay. So this 2 cancel हो जाएगी. Now comes to your original substitution root, x equal to what, cos 2 theta. Okay, from here you can write 2 theta equal to what, cos inverse root x. Also you can cite x equal to what? Cos square 2 theta. Therefore sin square 2 theta equal to what? Sin square 2 theta equal to 1 minus cos square 2 theta equal to what? 1 minus x. This is your sin square theta. And from here what is sin? Sin 2 theta equal to what? Root over 1 minus x. Okay, I hope you understand. This line, one line you have to write, that is sin square 2 theta equal to what? 1 minus x. After putting cos square 2 theta equal to what? X. And sin 2 theta equal to root over 1 minus x. Okay, so this 2 into sin 2 theta equal to what? Root over 1 minus x. 2 theta equal to what? Cos inverse root over x. And this 2 cancel. Cos 2 theta equal to what? Root x. Okay, and sin 2 theta equal to what? Root over 1 minus x plus c. So finally, little arrangement is required. 2 into root over 1 minus x plus cos inverse root x. ये जो रूट एक्स दोनों मल्टीप्लाई अंदर हो जाएगी तो क्या होगा? x इंटू एक्स माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस c. सो दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. अब इधर तक रख दो तो योर आंसर इज अप टू दिस लेवल, इट्स ओके. एंड इफ यू डू वन मोर एक्स्ट्रा लाइन, no issue, nothing. Okay, so see how I have solved this particular problem. What is the substitution, where is the trigonometric formula used, and which are the trigonometric formula I have used in particular questions. So remember, all these formulas are required. Without knowing the formulas, results of trigonometric identities, it will be very difficult for you to solve the particular questions. In lots many questions where you are going to use the trigonometric substitution, so you need very important two formulas like 1 minus cos 2 theta and 1 plus cos 2 theta. These two formulas are usually used in the questions. So kindly please, all of you, go through the formulas, expertise yourself, and then you see you will be very that is get interest in the, आप लोगों को मज़ा आएगी ये इंटीग्रल करने के, इंटीग्रल सॉल्व करने से. ठीक है. So these are the two questions I have solved, important one, and let us, I am going to solve another one more questions, and which is also important. So then I end up the class today. So I believe that you are like my class, you are understanding my class. आप लोगों को क्लास में मज़ा आती है. मुझे ज़्यादा जॉक्स नहीं आता, but I am trying to convince you by my class. Okay. So the question is interesting question. The question is e to the power 3 log x into x to the power 4 plus 1 minus 1 dx. Now, so when you first you observe these questions, then what happen, you will find that कैसे solve करो ये question को, थोड़ा सा difficult लग रहा है, तो उसको थोड़ा सा arrangement करें. पहले थोड़ा सा मैं बात कर लेता हूँ. a to the power log x to the base a, this formula, the result is always x. If the base of the logarithm and where the log is power of this particular number, ये जो दोनों एक ही हो जाए, both are same, then result is equal to what? X. Okay. Whenever suppose I write log x, it means its base is equal to what? अगर कुछ ना लिखूँ तो base क्या है? Do not think base is 10. It is base is what? E. logarithm का जो base होती है, normally जितना logarithmic function हम use कर रहे हैं, सबका base क्या है? E है. X ln log कहती है उसको. It is what? Log x to the base e. So in this particular expression you see e to the power 3 log x. If you arrange it, what you will get? E to the power log, ये 3 इधर जाएगा तो x क्यूब हो जाएगी. So here e is there, और इसमें कुछ नहीं है, means e है. तो if you use this particular result, then ultimately you are getting what? X cube. Okay. So your integral becomes what? You can write e to the power log x cube, and this one can be written 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. And then you see your integral becomes what? E to the power log x cube means what? X cube हो रहा है. So x cube divided by x to the power 4 plus 1 dx. Now this integral is very simple integral. If you derivative x to the power 4, you are getting x cube, or if you derivative x to the power 4 plus 1, you are getting also x cube. So take the substitution. What substitution? X to the power 4 plus 1 equal to what? Use z. Then क्या हो रहा है? तो 4x cube dx equal to what? dz, and finally x cube dx equal to what? dz by 4. So ये इंटीग्रल क्या होगा? ये इंटीग्रल क्या हो रहा है? Your integral becomes, this integral becomes what? That is x cube dx is equal to what? dz by 4. So 1 by 4 बाहर ले आओ. So dz by what? This one is what? X to the power 4 plus 1 dz. Z होगा. And finally this integral becomes what? 1 by 4 log modulus of z plus c. And 1 by 4 into log. And this z is what? X to the power 4 plus 1. And x to the power 4 is even power. X to the power 4 plus 1 is always a positive quantity. So no need to give modulus. So x to the power 4 plus 1 plus c. Okay. So this is a very simple questions. If you first observe this, you can get difficulties, but when you simplify it, then it will be very simple integral. Okay. So this way question may be asked in the examinations to make you confused, but so आप क्वेश्चन देख के डरना नहीं, आप क्वेश्चन को ऑब्जर्व करो अच्छे से, क्या फॉर्मूला आपके पास है उसको यूटिलाइज करो, सिंपल करो, एंड देन परफॉर्म द इंटीग्रेशन. इफ़ यू डू लाइक दैट, देयर विल बी नो डाउट दैट यू विल बी ए वेरी गुड स्टूडेंट्स इन इंटीग्रेशन. एंड इंटीग्रेशन जो टॉपिक होती है वहाँ में ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस का ज़रूरत होती है, नंबर 1. दूसरा नंबर है यू हैव टू नो द रूल ऑफ द इंटीग्रेशन, यू हैव टू नो द टाइप ऑफ द इंटीग्रेशन, एंड यू हैव टू नो द स्पेशल इंटीग्रल्स. ये सारे चीज़ स्टैंडर्ड इंटीग्रल या पता है, there will be no doubt. Okay. And trigonometry also you have to make yourself expertise. Okay. Hope you understand my class, and in the next class I'll almost to NCERT का जो indefinite part है, I have done it, 2-3 questions left, and you have to try yourself to perform. Okay. And in the next class I'll try to solve few special integral which will be considered as a formula, and also solve 2-3 questions to complete the indefinite integral, and then proceed to definite integral. Okay. So thank you very much, and if you like my class and if you are benefited with my classes, definitely you share my videos as well as subscribe my channel also. That is जो बेल आइकन है उसको दबा दीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू.